Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is Chapter 4, Lesson 4. Our today's topic headline is Looking after the creatures. Looking after the creatures or Khidmatul Khalq, and term is annual, lecture number 6, number of HW 5. Our term is annual, lecture number 6, number of HW 5. Okay, dear students, we know that man is the best creation of Almighty Allah. It is come in the hadith. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Al-insanu ashraful makhlukat. Man is the best of all creations of Almighty Allah. So, man have a lot of duties towards of all creations of Almighty Allah, because Allah the Almighty created a lot of things on the earth for the human beings, such as Allah has created water, soil, air, mountains, hills, sunlight, etc. for human beings. So human beings is also the responsibilities towards them. Without the maintain this responsibility, we will not safe, and our life is not also safe. For this reason, it is the very important looking after them, looking after the creatures. Okay, dear students, now come to the board and listen. Looking after the creatures or Khidmatul Khalq. Firstly, we will have to know what is the meaning of looking after the creatures or definition. What is the definition of looking after the creatures? It is the very important question for creative question A or B. Okay, dear students, so you have to must listen and memorize this question. What is the meaning of looking after the creatures? Definition of looking after the creatures. Man is the best of all creatures. As the best of all creatures, man has his duties and responsibilities towards other members of the creation. So, carrying out these duties and responsibilities is called looking after the creatures. It is the first definition of looking after the creatures. And another definition is also in Islamic terminology. Looking after the creatures means to treat the creatures of Allah with kindness and sympathy towards them. This is the second definition. If it question come in the question number B, then you have to write down definition 1 and definition 2 both. If come in the examination only for creative question A, then you have to write down only the Islamic terminology of what is the definition of looking after the creature. Then you have to write down only creative question 1 for you have to write down only in the Islamic terminology. Looking after the creatures means to treat the creatures of Allah with kindness and sympathy towards them. This is the definition, very famous definition according to the Islamic terminology. Okay, dear students, then we have to learn about looking after the creatures importance. There are a lot of importance about the looking after the creatures. For this reason, we have to must take care of them, all the creatures of Almighty Allah, which are living on earth and which are living under the water and under the soil, etc. Okay, dear students, now importance of looking after the creatures. Looking after the creature is the most significant subject in Islamic Sharia. Now I am about to describe the importance of looking after the creatures below. Number 1, dear students, I firstly mentioned that there is no point out in your book. This is your book of Islam and Moral Education book, class 7. Today we will discuss from page number 86, chapter 4, lesson 4, looking after the creatures. Please open your book and listen. Okay, dear students, in your book there is no point out for the importance of looking after the creatures. But I mentioned on total 6 points for importance of creatures, importance of looking after the creatures. If you write down point out the answer of this question, then it will be very better for carrying good marks, because this is the very important looking after the creatures, important of looking after the creatures as a creative question, C or D. Okay, dear students, number 1, importance of looking after the creatures. Number 1, it helps to gain Allah's praise. Dear students, if any person take care of the other creatures of Almighty Allah, then Allah will please with them. So it is the very important, and Allah the Almighty is pleased with him who treats his creatures with kindness and sympathy. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in the hadith, "Irhamu man fil ardi, yarhamukum man fis samai." This hadith is include Jami Tirmizi. This means, "Irhamu man fil ardi," be kindness towards them, those who are living on earth, then Allah the Almighty, those who are the owner of the heaven, will show kindness to you. So it is the very important for getting the pleasure of Almighty Allah. Okay, number 2, it is the second duties of a man. Okay, dear students, we know that there are 2 duties of every man: duties towards the Almighty Allah and duties towards his creatures. This is the second number. It is the second duties of man. Man has mainly 2 types of duties. Firstly, duties towards the Creator or Almighty Allah, and secondly, duties towards the creatures or created being Almighty Allah. The latter includes the duty of helping the duties and the helpless, as well as the duties towards trees, birds, animals, environment, etc. Okay, dear students, the number 3 importance of looking after the creatures, the number 3 importance is medium of becoming dear to Allah. Looking after the creatures, it is the medium of becoming dear to Almighty Allah. Looking after the creatures is one of the famous medium of becoming dear to Almighty Allah. Our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in the hadith, "Al-khalqu iyalullah, fahabbul khulqi ilallahi man ahsana ila iyalihi." Al-khalqu iyalullah, all the creatures of Almighty Allah is the family of Almighty Allah. Fahabbul khulqi ilallahi, so the dearest of the creations of Almighty Allah is He, man ahsana ila iyalihi, who is the best to his family. Okay, now we will start number 4, importance of looking after the creatures. Protect our environment for our own sake. Okay, dear students, if we protect our environment, then we will protect ourselves. Because if we don't protect our environment or don't protect the trees or any other creatures of the universe, then it will be very harmful for us. So it is the very important to take care of all creatures of the earth. Okay, our environment consists of the elements of air around of us, such as insects, trees, plants, animals, birds, etc. Allah has created all these animals for the benefit of human beings. So we have to take care of them completely. Okay, dear students, now we will start point number 5, importance of looking after the creatures. Allah meets the needs of Him, those who help others. Our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in the hadith, "Allahu fi awni al-abdi madam al-abdu fi awni akhihi." This is one kind of hadith which is included in the Muslim, Sahihul Muslim. Allahu fi awni al-abdi madam al-abdu fi awni akhihi. This is the most famous hadith about the help of the others person. This meaning of this hadith, Allah meets the needs of him who meets the needs of his Muslim brother. Sahih Muslim. Okay, dear students, importance of looking after the creatures. Point number 6, it is the way of getting pardon of Almighty Allah. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, a sinful woman of Bani Israel was passing by a dog which was dying of thirst. Then he collect water and give the water to the dog. Then dog drink water and it's alive. By this way, Allah the Almighty forgive hearts all bad deeds and sinful activities previous life. This is included in the Bukhari and Muslim. So we will look after all creatures of Almighty Allah. We will not cause pains to animals. We will not cause any damage to any trees without reason. We will plant trees and take care of them very attentively. Okay, dear students, now I will give the HW. Today's HW number is 5. HW, look at the board carefully. Today's HW number is 5. And headline of HW is, what do you mean by looking after the creature? What do you mean by looking after the creatures? Looking after the creatures. The creatures. What do you mean by looking after the creatures? Right. Write any 4 points about importance of it. Of it. Okay, dear students, you have to must do carefully your HW, because HW is the very important for you. We will take decision to give the city marks, diary marks and SBA marks, total 25 marks according to your performance of HW. So you have to must do carefully your HW and submit your HW on every Sunday and collect your HW next Sunday from 8 AM to 4 PM from the school library. Okay, dear students, we will give for every HW 2.5 marks and collected total 10 HW, better of them. So you have to submit your HW regularly and watch our video class regularly, and keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents. Stay well. See you again very soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.